What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video, taking a look at my new set of earbuds I got here. So these are the Apple AirPods 3rd generation. I picked these up from Best Buy. Right now these are running about $169, and I picked them up. I had some gift cards, I had some credits over there, so I ended up getting these for a pretty good price. The Pros are about $20 more than the $169, so if those are something that you're interested in, they're probably a better pickup for certain people. For me, I like the openness of the way these fit in your ears better than the ones that have the tips on the end of them. I do have my Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. Now this style here, you know, we all know that they have the little tip that goes in the ear. For me, that style after a while becomes uncomfortable. So I've always preferred the, like the OG style. These are the ones I was using at first, the OG style of AirPods. Just find that they're more comfortable in my ears. So that's why I ended up picking these up. So I know you lose the active noise cancellation with these, but I'm fine with that, because if I really need something like that, I do have over the ear headphones that I can use. So this was the best choice for me. So these are the AirPod 3s. Here's the box right here, as you guys see. These are MagSafe. Comes with the MagSafe charging case. Here's some of the specs on the back of it here. You got your Apple logo, and then here's some more of your specs here. So this is the box. Nice presentation here. Now these are look kind of raised up. You can actually feel them, and I guess these are the actual size. So let's go ahead and open the box up. Got two pull tabs here. So some of the specs on these are gonna have the spatial audio. Let's go ahead and get this open. Dramatic effect, designed by Apple in California. So some of the features on this: spatial audio, you're gonna have adaptive EQ, you're gonna have skin detection, custom Apple drivers, and you're gonna have pressure tips for pause, play, answering calls, and things like that. So now you press the tip on the AirPods rather than tapping on them like the old way. These are gonna have the H1 chip in them. These are IPX4 sweat and water resistant. These have 5.0 Bluetooth, and these are, like I said, MagSafe as well. Now you're gonna get about 30 hours of play on these. You're gonna get 6 hours on the buds. You're gonna get 5 hours if you're using the spatial audio, and you're gonna get, if you charge these for 5 minutes, you can get up to an hour worth of play. So those are a few of the specs on this. So get that out of the way. Designed by Apple in California. You're gonna have your regular manuals here, the safety regulation stuff here as well. No Apple sticker, doesn't look like it. Let's go ahead and get this stuff out of the way. All right, so here's the case that they're in right here. Let's go ahead, peel this off. I know a lot of people like to hear that. So we're just going to slide these out. There it is. So the case is a little bit bigger than normal. We're going to compare this to the originals. And then all you get in the bottom of it, you're going to get your Type-C to Lightning cable here. So very clean, very nice looking. So let's put all this back together. Box over there. So here's the case. So you look like you have a indicator light right there. On the back, you got some writing on there. And then you got your lightning port here. So these are MagSafe. You do have a button on the back here as well. And there's as soon as I press that button, the LED indicator. So here are the buds. Now these are a different design, definitely a different design here. So here's a close-up of them. You got your speaker part there and your mic there, I guess. And then your stem is definitely smaller, shorter than the other one. So here's the inside of the case. And then you got both of them together. So very nice, man. So let's take a look at these in comparison to, let's look at the case size in comparison to the Buds 2. So as you guys see, a little bit wider than the Buds 2, but it's not as thick. So that is it. So if you're looking on the inside of it, of course the Buds 2 are going to have that dark gray color there. And so let's take a look at in comparison on the size here. So of course these are going to have the tip on them, as you guys see. So if you just do the part that goes in your ear, pretty close to the same size. So if you're looking at that, just for me, I don't like the tips that go in the ear. So let's take a look at the OGs here. I never did pick up the 2s. And like I said, I gave these, my wife are now using these. So here's the original case. You guys see? So these are a little bit wider, about the same thickness. And let's take a look at one of the Buds in comparison. So as you guys see, these are a little bit bigger. The microphones and stuff on there are different. And then your stem is definitely longer. So that is the comparison between the old and the new. Let's get this stuff out of the way. So we're going to go ahead and get these paired up to the iPhone. All right, guys, so we're back in iPhone 13 Pro, Sierra Blue on deck. Let's go ahead and see if we can get these paired up. So should be simple enough just to open this up. And there it is, as you guys see, popped up right away. And we got to go ahead and connect. Had a flashing light there. Set up Siri. Gonna go ahead and use Siri. Announce calls and notifications. I don't want to do that, so we're gonna get out of that. So now these are connected. And let's go over here. See, I thought I had a widget here with the battery on it. I guess I don't. Oh, here it is, yeah. So these are showing the AirPods there. You see they're at 60%. You're going to show the case and the Buds and the phone. And my watch has died because I haven't been using it. So that is it. Okay, guys, so let's take a look at the spatial audio settings here. So you go to your drop-down menu. You do want to make sure that your case is open or you have them in your ear. You press down on this. Your audio level there. Then it's going to show you that down here at the bottom, spatial audio. Press and hold on that. Now you can turn that off. You can put it in fixed, or you can have it in head tracking. So that is one way to get to your spatial audio, which is the enhanced feature that they have there. Now to go into your settings on your headphones here, your earbuds. They have these labeled as AirPods 2, but you can rename that as well. So you can turn on you can turn on or off the automatic ear detection there. You can turn on whether you automatically connect to your iPhone or not. You got your spatial audio settings here. It says place AirPods in your ear to try spatial audio. You got your microphone. You can optimize battery. Just all sorts of things you can do in the settings with the for the AirPods there. So next, what I'm going to do is go ahead and try these out. I'll come back and let you know what they sound like. Okay, guys, so we're back in. I've had a chance to use these for a while, and these are fantastic, man. These are exactly what I was looking for. I'm not closed off. I can still hear my surroundings, but these are putting out some fantastic sound. Feature with the adaptive EQ works great on here. You're going to have some excellent highs, mids, and bass on these. Now the bass is not overpowering because you're not completely closed off, but for me, I'm not an audiophile. They sound great to me. The features with the stem, pressing the stem to play music, pause music, make a phone call, answer phone calls, send messages, works great. Now I have one of them here. I do have a playlist pulled up on Apple Music here. The other one is in my ear. I'm going to go ahead and play this. It says pause now. So one click and this is playing right there. I can double tap it, go to the next selection as you guys see. Double tap again, go to the next selection, and I can pause it. I can go ahead and say, hey Siri, what time is it? Hey Siri, what's the weather for today? So as you guys see, that is working great. I can start the music again. Go ahead and start the music again. And click to the next track as well. So these work great, man. I haven't had any issue with these. They sound great. They fit well in the ear. I think these fit better than the original ones I had. And they are definitely putting out some great sound for the phone calls. While I put my card in it temporarily just to test these, it was great. I looked at some YouTube videos on here with these. No latency at all. And the pressing the stem works great, man. That feature works great right there. Now, as far as the spatial audio, I don't know if I completely understand how that's supposed to work, but I can just tell you they sound good to me. Not being an audiophile or whatever, I don't know. So I'll probably have to use these a little while longer to understand the spatial audio feature on them, but I just know they sound good to me. And yeah, I'll come back in a few days, a week or two, and let you guys know how these are going. But they're great. Glad I picked them up. And that's my look at the Apple AirPods 3rd Gen. Catch you guys in the next video. Will's Gadgets and More. I'm out.